In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your Collaboration tab. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Collaboration. You should arrive at your Collaboration home. If you haven't, go back to your new top menu bar and click on Home. In your Collaboration home, you'll get to see a list of upcoming events, messages, feedback, and notifications. The events are events that you or your employer has scheduled into your calendar. Messages are both ones that you've sent and ones that your employer has sent. Feedback are surveys or requests from information that your employer is looking for. And notifications are something that you set up yourself and you can learn about in a future video. From this home page, you can click on any of this information. I can click on Feedback, and it will take me to the feedback page. I'll go back to that home page. I could also click on a specific event, and it will take me to that event calendar. And that's how you can use your Collaboration home, both to see what you have coming up and to navigate to that event or feedback form that you have. Check out the next video to learn more about the features of your Collaboration tab.